Welcome to a thought share on some of the observations that we have had in the market post election results. Election results kind of created an anxiety, a lot of concerns for people with the Prime Minister and the Home Minister even coming out and saying that by before June 4th, you will not get the price what you are having now. But don't know if that is true for the whole market. Yes, there are some pockets which have started doing well, while this 2024 election has created a memory like many other elections which we had, like 2004, 2009, were all historic events. We didn't have such kind of history, but it has created memory by market going down 10%. And the problem was the exit polls, which created a euphoria, and next day it totally got dumped. While that said, there is a huge recovery, which kind of in the end of the week, if we see it, compared to last week and this week, there seems to be no damage at all. But in between, the huge drop was there. In this, there is going to be some changes, because when you go into turbulence and come out of it, that fear will want us to drop some excess baggage and also want to be safe. In that way, the attractive things that have happened now is FMCG, technology kind of segments have started doing well. They are showing strength. It's all early signs. Don't know whether it will continue, but compared to where they were a couple of months back, now the gains are visible. Even the private banks, for that matter. MNCs also are doing well. These are the four places: MNCs, private banks, technology, and FMCG. These sectors have taken off, and when these sectors, these are called defensives, when these sectors do well, the cyclicals, the other part of the market, tend to underperform. So probably it's time to maybe book some profits in the cyclicals which have gone up, like the mostly whatever went up in the last one and a half, 2 years was all the businesses that were supported by the government, like PSU banks, PSUs as a whole, infrastructure, power, metals, all these places where excesses are there, even value as a theme, have done extremely well. Now they are finding it difficult at the top. There we can take out money and move money into these places where we are told now: FMCG, technology, private banks, MNCs. Even new money can be brought in here. When a sector takes off from a bottom, it generally has a good 6 to 10, 12 months of rally. If it crosses 12 months, we are lucky we will get a long-term capital gains. If not, if it gets weaker faster, still the gains would have been pretty high compared to the average market. Does this mean you have to, for all the investors, you have to worry about? No, it's not. Only for the sectors and thematic funds, this changes are holding good. Otherwise, in the regular funds, fund managers are already doing the changes. They used to have lower technology. Probably in a week or two, they will increase technology and even FMCG. As it is, PSUs were not having bigger exposure in the funds, and that is why there were underperformance. Now those funds will start doing well. Quality stocks are started doing well. Those funds which are having quality stocks, which did extremely well in 2019, 18, 19, 20, those funds will start doing well now. The recent ones which had run up heavily, they might take a back seat. So for regular investors who are holding large, mid, small or flexi cap, need not worry, funds are going through their own changes. If we are running a thematic sectoral funds, for those who are having PSUs, it's good to book profit and move away, go to the defensive sectors which we talked about. If you want to buy these defensive sectors which are getting attractive now, send us a message by email to us. We will get in touch with you, and based on the appetite, how much we can fit into the portfolio, we can take the funds, maybe all the four, or probably according to your comfort zone, maybe one or two. Similarly, if you are already holding these sectors which have already run up big time, good to book some profits. Even we would say take exits. Probably I don't say that it's the top and it will come down immediately. No, we are just becoming cautious. It can run up also. Maybe if it comes down from here, probably becomes attractive, then we can buy. As of now, since we have already made good profits there in the last 3-4 months, 30-40% have come in all these places where I spoke. While the new ones that have started doing well, it was very weak. About 6-7% gain in the last 1 month is seen in all these sectors. There are chances that in the next 5-6 months, probably 25-30% can come from this, which have started going up, while that which is at the top can shed some weight. So, wanting to add more money into sectors and themes, 4 sectors or themes are very good now, looking attractive. I wouldn't say that they have already started become very strong. No, they have started their journey. It can get strong, probably it can get weak, and we might also be wrong also. So, if you want to travel in the sectors and themes that are becoming hot now, send us a message. We can get the initiation, transactions initiated for you. Thank you. Happy investing.